Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel XP25 Excel Chapter 9 Cumulative Assessment Variation Tips. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And we will deal for this complete course. I will do your complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Assess, all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is XP25 Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Assessment Variation Tips. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. So, the title of assignment is XP25 Excel Chapter 9 Cumulative Assessment Variation Tips. Under this project description to get idea about your project. So, we will moving on instructions. I will select this complete instruction and increase the font size of this instruction for a proper view in my video. So, we will moving on question number 1. Okay. In question number 1, start Excel, download and open the file name XP25 Excel Chapter 9 Cumulative Assessment Variation Tips. Excel as Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. The Excel workbook contains circular references. When you open the file, an error message displays. This error will be resolved as part of the projects. We will open our Excel workbook which we have downloaded from Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I am going to opening my Excel workbooks right now. Click on enable editing button. So click on we will cross this. So we will moving on question number 2. In question number 2, the tips left columns in the Friday worksheet contain a fill color and number formatting. You want to fill these format to the others daily worksheets. Group the Friday through Monday worksheets. Starting with the Friday worksheet, fill the format only for the range E5 to 24. Basically, in this question, we will group the Friday through Monday worksheet. This is the first point of question number 2. Group the Friday through Monday worksheet. We will select Friday, press Control, and then we will through Monday worksheet. Select Tuesday, Wednesday, so Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Okay, you can see. So I have grouped this worksheet through Friday through Monday. So the next is that starting with the Friday worksheet, fill the format only the range E5 to E24. We will select this range and then we will enter this range in the Friday worksheet. So we will go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on fill button. So we click on across worksheet. Okay, we will select this formats, click on OK. You can see this is good. So I am going to do next question of this assignment is question number 3. Now you want to insert column totals for the 5 worksheets simultaneously with the worksheet still group. Insert some function in the range E25 to E25 and apply the total cell style and group the worksheet. With the worksheet still group, insert some function in the range B25 to E25. We will select this range B25 to E25 and then apply the total cell style. Okay, press is equal to and go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on auto sum button. Okay, when press enter, it will be show totals in cell B25. So we will click on cell C25, go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on auto sum button, press enter. Okay, so we'll click on cell D25 and go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on auto sum button and then we will press enter. So click on cell D25 in the home tab. In the editing group, click on auto sum button. So press enter. Okay, this is so good. You can see apply the total cell style and group the worksheet. We will select this all cells and go to the home tab. In the styles group, click on cell style button. We will apply total cell style on this range. Okay, so ungroup the worksheet, right click on Friday worksheet and click on ungroup sheets. Okay, ungroup sheets. Okay. So I'm going to do question number 4 of this assignment. The question number 4 is that the week worksheet is designed to be a summary sheet. You want to insert a hyperlink to the total heading in the Monday worksheet on the week sheet in cell A5. Insert a hyperlink to cell A25 in the Monday sheet with the screen tip text Monday's total. Test the hyperlink to ensure it's worked correctly. On the week worksheet, we will go to on week worksheet. Okay, so in cell A5 insert a hyperlink to cell A25. Click on cell A5, right click on cell A5, right click on cell A5. Okay, 1 second. Right click on cell A5, click on links button. So click on place in this document button and then tap and cell the references. Okay, we will select sheet Monday and cell references A25. So we will select Monday and click on screen tip text. Screen tip text is Monday's total. Click on OK button. So click on again OK. This hyperlink will be okay. Select Monday and click on OK. This hyperlink will be inserted on cell A5. So I am going to do test the hyperlink to ensure it's work correctly. So I am going to do question number 5 of this assignment. In question number 5, now you are ready to insert references to cells in the individual worksheet. First you will insert a reference to Monday's total. Okay, in cell B5 on the week worksheet, insert a formula with a 3D references. Okay, in cell B5 on the week worksheet, insert a formula with 3D references to the cell B25 in the Monday worksheet. Copy the formula to the range C5 to E5. Okay, we will go to our week worksheet, click on cell B5. Go to week worksheet, click on cell B5, press is equal to, and then insert a formula with the 3D references to cell B25 in the Monday worksheet. Okay. Okay, press is equal to, go to Monday worksheet, click on cell B25. Okay, press enter. It will be show. Okay. Okay, it will be show value in cell P5. So copy the formula to the range C5 to E5. We will copy the formula to the range C5 to E5. Okay. So it will be show food, drinks, subtotal tips in cell B5, C5, D5 and E5. So I am going to do next question of this assignment is question number 6. The next formula will display the totals for Tuesday. In cell B6 insert a formula with 3D references to cell B25 in the Tuesday worksheet. Copy the formula to the range C6 to E6. Okay. In cell B6 insert a formula with 3D references to cell B25 in the Tuesday worksheet. Click on cell B6, press is equal to, go to Tuesday worksheet, click on cell B25 on Tuesday worksheet and press enter. Okay, you can see B25 on Tuesday worksheet. So copy the formula to the range C6 to E6. So copy the formula to the range C6 to E6. Okay. So I'm going to do question number 7 of this assignment. In question number 7, in cell B7 insert a formula with a 3D references to cell B25 in the Wednesday worksheet. Copy the formula to the range C7 to E7. Okay, in cell B7 insert a formula with 3D references to cell B25 in the Wednesday worksheet. Okay, press is equal to, go to Wednesday worksheet, click on cell B25. Okay, B25, press enter. So it will be show value in cell B7. So copy the formula to the range C7 to E7. Copy the formula to the range C7 to E7. Okay, so I'm going to do question number 8 of this assignment. In question number 8, in cell B8 insert a formula with the 3D references to cell B25 in the Thursday worksheet, copy the formula to the range C8 to E8. Simply we will go to cell B8 first. Go to cell B8. Press is equal to in cell B8 and go to our Thursday worksheet, and we will click on cell B25 on Thursday worksheet and press enter. It will be show value in cell B8. So copy the formula to the range C8 to E8. Copy the formula to the range C8 to E8. Okay, this is good. So I'm going to do question number 9 of this assignment. In question number 9, in cell B9, insert a formula with the 3D references to cell B25 in the Friday worksheet. Copy the formula to the range C9 to E9. Okay, in cell B9, insert a formula with the 3D references to cell B25 in the Friday worksheet. We will go to our Excel workbook. We will simply click on cell B9, press is equal to, go to Friday worksheet and click on cell B25, and so we will press enter. It will be show value in cell B9. So copy the formula to the range C9 to E9. C9 to E9. Okay, this is so good. So I'm going to do question number 10 of this assignment. In question number 10, now you want to use a function with the 3D references to calculate the totals. In cell B10 on the week worksheet, insert the sum function with the 3D references to calculate the total food purchased B25 for the 5 days. Copy the function to the range C10 to E10. In cell B10 on the week worksheet, click on cell B10 on the week worksheet. So insert a sum function with the 3D references to calculate the total food purchased cell B25 for 5 days. Press is equal to, press is equal to, so we will enter sum function, so the range B5 to B9, and we will press enter. It will be show totals food in cell B10. Okay, this is so good. So copy the function to the range C10 to E10. Okay, so copy the function to the range C10 to E10. Okay, so copy the function to the range C10 to E10. Simply we will copy the function to the range C10 to E10. Okay. Okay, you can see I have done 10 to 11 question of this assignment in my video, but I have done this complete assignment for my student. If you want to do this assignment from me, and if you want to do this complete multi-lab course from me, I can do this complete multi-lab course. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. I am handling many student courses on MultiLab Pearson, Engagement Type, MC Grahil Seminar, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Please contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. My WhatsApp and email both are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me. I can do all online courses: MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Math, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.